Kung may paddle, Ira, bigyan mo kay hinihintay nyo?
Ikaw.
Sige, ano muna, sharing lang. Yung Philippians 2:8, okay, sabihin ko na, do nothing from selfishness or empty conceit, but humility in mind, regard one another as more important than yourself. Do not merely look for your own personal interest, but also for the interest of others. Have this attitude in yourself, which was also in Christ Jesus, who although existed in the form of God, but that did not regard equality with God, a thing to be grasped, but emptied himself, taking form of a bondservant, and being made in likeness of man. Being found in an appearance as a man, he humbled himself by becoming obedient to the point of death, even death on the cross. So, what does it mean? It means we should be selfless, humility, and obedient to the point of death. Alam kong medyo paulit-ulit lang, pero kailangan kasi natin maging humble or i-priority ang humility para magkaisa tayo. We are happy na naging may kulang ba? Sino ba wala? Ricky. Pero yung family nandito, dito lahat. Si Beb. Yeah. So, yan. We value humility first. Understood? So, hanggang kailan tayo magiging humility?
Humble.
Maging humble. To the point of death. So, humble lang. Being humble is a two-way. Maging humble siya, humble ako, yun, para magkaunawaan. Pero pag humble lang isa, ang isang hindi, hirap yun. So, it's a two-way process.
Screenshot lang tayo mo yan, no? Screenshot lang.